Today, we are thrilled to introduce a groundbreaking innovation designed to enhance the teaching and learning experience in classrooms worldwide.
We present Dustless, a dustless duster, a solution meticulously crafted to address a persistent challenge faced by teachers globally, the health and cleanliness issues associated with traditional blackboards.
For decades, blackboards have been an essential teaching tool. However, they come with a significant downside: chalk dust.
This dust not only creates a mess but also poses health risks, particularly for those with allergies or respiratory issues.
Our surveys and studies have shown that a significant number of teachers experience discomfort ranging from mild sneezing to severe allergic reactions due to chalk dust.
Additionally, the cleaning process is often inefficient and time consuming, detracting from valuable teaching time.
This is where the dustless duster comes in. This innovative device, powered by a rechargeable battery, is engineered to efficiently erase the blackboard without leaving any dust residue behind. Here is how it works.
Efficient and uniform erasing. It consists of two foams, one wet and one dry. When spun, the duster creates a friction allowing no dust to escape. The motorized eraser provides a consistent and smooth erasing experience, ensuring that the board is clean.
Ergonomic design. Understanding the varied needs of educators, we've designed the dustless duster to be lightweight, easy to handle, and user friendly, making it suitable for all age groups and physical abilities.
The device is equipped with a long lasting battery, ensuring that it can be used throughout the school day without the need for frequent recharging.
If we get selected in the top 400, we will come up with sleek designs,
Control the torque,
make the sponge removable so that it can be washed or replaced.
use a chargeable battery, and make it waterproof.
Furthermore, the positive environmental impact cannot be overstated.
By reducing airborne dust, we are contributing to a healthier and more pleasant classroom atmosphere. It's a small step towards healthier, more efficient, and more environmentally conscious approach to teaching.
We believe that this innovation will improve the health and well being of teachers worldwide.
Thank you.